Hi everybody, I'm Jerry. I'm here with my son. We were actually just sent this really cool 3-foot ball game that you can easily set up. Did not take very long to put this together. It's got a nice high tension net on here and came with 3 of these 3.5-inch balls, and they even included a couple of nice additions, which I really like. One is a little hammer that you can use to tap these legs into place without marring anything up, so that's really nice. And a little pump that you can use to pump up these balls. And all of these can actually fit into this nice carrying bag. So this would be a great game if you're going to take this to the beach or you're going to take this to a friend's house to go play the game, because this thing simply collapses up and all fits in this bag really quickly. Another really neat feature is that these little holes here actually hold the additional balls. So they actually put that built in there to where you can kind of stick them there. That way if one of them gets away from you, you got a quick one to keep the game going. But basically you get out here with your kiddo and you actually step back a little bit. You can simply bop this and actually hit it off of this net, and it springs up really well off of this net. And if you don't get it like that, then you can lose your point. And this would work great if you even had multiple people. Like if you had 4 or 5 people, you could simply all sit around. And the more people you have, the more fun it can be, because it simply is going to allow you to get your exercise outside, kind of get away from those screens a little bit, and kind of get your body moving, a little bit of exercise. So this would be a great addition for anybody's next party, or you keep it for yourself in your own backyard.